Spanning millions of square feet, this facility is the heart of the nation's defense manufacturing capabilities.
Utilizing digital sensors, the robotic arm applies the three-color NATO camouflage pattern. The transition
During cold testing, the engine is spun by an motor while computerized sensors monitor oil pressure.
Ease it down, watching the mounts. Guides are aligned. Send it home. Seated.
High-tensile steel torsion bars are inserted into the transverse tubes. A specialized hydraulic press applies thousands of pounds of force to seat the bars. Precision machined trailing arms are attached to the ends of the torsion bars. Workers use high-torque pneumatic drivers to secure the pivot bolts.
The vertical press descends with immense force, fusing the rubber to the metal hub. As the press lifts,
the front-mounted drive sprockets, featuring hardened steel teeth, are bolted to the final drive shafts. At the rear, at high speed, the machine precisely pops the black textured rubber pads into the steel track links along the conveyor bed.
The robotic hammer ensures each pin is seated with identical pressure, a critical step in the assembly process.
The rolling on.
Engaging the hydraulic tensioner allows us to precisely adjust the idler wheel. As the gauge confirms the specified pound force,
The hatch cover is fitted onto its ball bearing race. The effortless 360-degree rotation demonstrates the quality of the greased bearings. The M113 periscope undergoes rigorous laser alignment. Once calibrated, the purple anti-reflective coating Here we see the infrared driving lights adjusted for correct aim, glowing with a faint, deep purple hue as they hit the calibration wall.
These prevent mud from being thrown onto the optics. The rubber is thick and heavy-duty, fastened with steel strips.
Clear. Next can. Watch the weight on this one. Readings stabilized.
Weight and balance verified. Well within limits.
Approved. Thrust efficiency is optimal. We're holding a steady pace.
Confirmed. The track modifications are performing well. Here we see the 60% grade slope test. The Detroit diesel engine provides the massive torque needed to conquer the incline with ease.
Utilizing a white phosphorus-free compound, the system completely obscures the vehicle, enabling a tactical withdrawal maneuver.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment. Holding steady, coming down.
Plates are aligned. Send the bolts through.
Securing forward bolts now.
Holding pressure steady.
Readings confirm we've hit the lower limit. -20, stabilized. Acknowledged. Insulation efficiency is confirmed.
Hundreds of M113s await transport, demonstrating the global reach of the defense supply chain. Please verify the final manifest and sign here to confirm handover.
Verified. The equipment meets all specifications.
Go! Clear the ramp! Moving right! Cover Sector 3! Power pack is clear. Copy that. Bringing it down now.
Older vehicles are stripped down for zero-hour refurbishment. Sandblasting reveals the aluminum, demonstrating the structure's infinite life.
The Blue Force tracker is active across the network.
Real-time positional data confirmed. Systems are secure. With the vehicles chained down, the massive transport begins its mission of global deployment.